Mas handa sila ngayon eh.
Mm.
Mas maraming parang kumbaga, mas maraming case build up. Parang mas matagal yung naging case build up kaysa sa yung first impeachment. In a way, parang blessing in disguise din siguro, masabi natin. Yung dismissal ng Supreme Court dun sa first at nag-require pa ang Supreme Court ng mas striktong mga bagay para umusad ang impeachment dun pa lang sa level ng House of Representatives. Because it paved the way, ironically
Mhm.
di ba? Nung ginawa na ulit, then the House of Representatives Justice Committee was guided and they had to adjust to the requirements of the Supreme Court na which require more preparation and more case build-up, which they did. So ironically, it strengthened the hand of the prosecution rather than weakened